Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to switch to Facebook's MBASIC or basic version. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, before when we use mobile data, okay, we will be able to see switch to MBASIC right here from the app, but now it is not available. And when we go ahead and use a browser, it could be Google Chrome, Safari, or whatever. And when you go ahead and type down MBASIC, okay, here, .facebook.com. When you tap on it, it will just lead you to where? Facebook Lite or m.facebook.com. Okay, so it's just basically the same, but the problem with m.facebook is you cannot access the messaging app or messenger. Users report that mbasic.com is no longer available as of late 2024. And as you can see here, the link doesn't work. It just redirects us to m.facebook.com. Okay, maybe Facebook may have fully deprecated this feature on your account or your region. Some regions can access MBASIC. So I'm from the Philippines, I cannot access it. If you want to use a smaller version of Facebook, instead of going to MBASIC, just go ahead and download what? Facebook Lite. Because on Facebook Lite, you can go ahead and open messages right from the application itself. And this one right here is only 3 MB. So go ahead and install this one if you want to. As you can see here, you can open up the messages from here, do as much as you want, just like the regular Facebook app. All right? And that is how you switch to Facebook's basic version or MBASIC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.